everyone, I am here today to talk to you about our next lesson, which is about blind contour drawings. Now, that probably sounds really crazy to you, and it's actually super fun. So let me explain to you a little bit about blind contour drawings and why artists do them and what they're for. So first of all, blind contour drawing is just like it sounds. It is a drawing that you don't look at. And a contour is basically like the outline of an object or just the really important lines. And artists use this technique sometimes to help them really focus on what they're drawing and what they're looking at. Because sometimes when artists draw what they're looking at, they draw what they think they see instead of what they actually see. So artists will use this technique to help them really focus on what they're drawing, and it's also kind of fun. So there's only 2 rules about blind contour drawings. The first rule is you can't look at your paper. So when you're drawing, you need to keep your eyes on the object that you're drawing, or maybe it's a face, or whatever it is that you're drawing, you need to keep your eyes on that at all times. The second rule is you cannot pick your pencil or your marker or your pen up off the paper. So basically you are drawing a lot of lines all over, and the funny thing is that, guys, your artwork is actually gonna look kind of cool, but it is gonna look kind of crazy. And that's the point, that's the purpose. So I attached some videos of me doing a couple of blind contour drawings, and I also am going to show you the picture of my final contour drawings. In your packet, you also have some examples of other contour drawings that people have done. And I want you to notice when you look at them that it's really not about being perfect, and it's a super fun activity that you could do. You could try drawing someone else. So my exchange student and I, we drew each other's faces, so we were looking right at each other the whole time, and it is super fun. Or you could try drawing an object in your house. Let me know if you give it a try. I can't wait to see your cool artwork.
Remember, there are 2 rules when you're doing a blind contour drawing. Rule 1, you can't look at your paper. That's why it's called a blind contour drawing. Rule 2, remember that your marker or your pencil has to stay touching your paper the whole time, from start to finish. So you're not lifting your pencil up and moving it around. So you're gonna have lines that go in weird places as you're moving your hand and your marker around the paper. So don't lift it up off the paper. I videoed this so you could see that I did not stop looking at her the whole time. Here is what I actually drew. They are supposed to look a little bit silly. So as you can see, both of ours have a lot of lines all over the place. Some things aren't in the right spot because we weren't able to look at our paper. So the whole point of this is to have fun with it and to do your best. Next, I tried drawing my kitchen. There was a lot of detail. Lastly, I decided to try a blind contour drawing of these flowers that I have at my house. Your turn. Don't forget the rules of blind contour drawings and try your best. Remember, it's supposed to be fun and a little bit silly. Post what you made either on Google Classroom or on our Flipgrid. Hope to see some cool artwork soon.